Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. We have already done the part 1 video of the grade 5 previous year question paper 2022 set CC. Now we will start the part 2 video. So let's start with the question number 11. Okay, a car runs 3 hours at a speed of 65 km per hour and next 2 hours at the speed of 105 km per hour. To find the average speed of the car for 5 hours journey. So first we will find the distance traveled here. So with the 65 kilometer per hour speed, the car already run 3 hours. So distance will be 3 multiplied by 65 plus 2 multiplied by 105. We know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So d1 distance 3 multiplied by 65, d2 distance 2 multiplied by 105. Okay, so you will get 195 plus 210. After adding these two, you will get 405. The total distance traveled is 405. Now the average speed. So average speed will be equal to distance traveled 405 upon the total time taken. 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 81 kilometer per hour. It is in the option number C. 11th answer is option C. Question number 12. Length of a rectangle is 2 more than that of breadth. If the breadth is 16 centimeter, then find the area of the rectangle. So length will be your 16 plus 2 as it is 2 more than the breadth. 18 centimeter is the length. Breadth is the 16 centimeter. We know that area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. That is your 18 multiplied by 16. This is your 288 centimeter square. It is in the option number B. So 12th answer will be option B. Question number 23. The figure given below is made up of 5 equilateral triangles of same size. If the perimeter of whole shape is 182 centimeter, then the length BE equal to, we need to find this length. So perimeter is given. It means the length, this length is given. This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. As we know, perimeter is the outside length. But all are of same size. Suppose the one side is x. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x. 7x equal to 182. So x will be equal to 26 centimeter. And this area, it means this is 26, this is 26. So BE will be equal to 52 centimeter. Okay, available in option B. So 13th answer will be option B. Question number 40. Find the area of the following figure. Okay, we need to find the area. So for finding the area of this figure, we need to just make it in 3 parts. Okay, so now this is the rectangle. Its area can be calculated by 12 multiplied by 7. This will be your 13 multiplied by, from here to here it is 12 and above it is 3. So 12 plus 3, 15. And this will be your 12 multiplied by 6. So it is 84. Okay. This is 195 and this is 72. Total area will be 84, 195 and 72. If you add all of them, you will get 351 centimeter square. It is in the option number B. So 14th answer will be option B. Question number 15. In the figure given below, the value of x will be, we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle should be 180 degree. So this, suppose this is y, this is z. So y will be equal to 180 minus 65 plus 55. This is equal to 60 degree. And z will be equal to 180 minus 90 plus 65. This is equal to 25 degree. And this angle is making a linear pair. It means x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 25 in bracket. You will just find it as 95 degree. It is in the option number C. So 15th answer will be option C. Question number 16. Find angle ECD. This angle we have to find. So we know that this is 90 degree. So angle ECD will be equal to 90 degree minus 38 degree. So this is your 10 minus 8, 2, and 8 minus 3, 5, 52 degree. It is in the option number A. So 16th answer is option A. Question number 17. What is the measure of angle formed by a hour hand and minute hand when the clock shows the time 6 o'clock? It means the minute hand will be at 12 and hour hand will be at 6. So this angle is making as the straight angle, which means it is 180 degree. The 17th answer will be option B. Question number 18. Direction for question number 18 and 19. Following bar graph represent the sale of refrigerator sets in a showroom during first 6 months of the year. Read the bar graph and answer the following question. In which month the number of refrigerators were sold more than 20 was less than 80? So 40, more than 40. So this is 40, this is your March, and above March it is April, and it is less than May. At May it is 80 degree. 80 refrigerators. So April will be the answer. In the April month, the refrigerators are sold more than 40 but less than 80. 18th answer will be option B. Question number 19 with the same data. 50 more refrigerators were sold in dash than that were sold in February. So in the February there are 30 and 30 plus 50. This is your 80, and 80 refrigerators are sold in the month of May. So that's my answer will be option C. So 19th answer is option C. Question number 20. If 7 2m minus 1 plus 4 equal to 81, then find the value of m. So 7 2m minus 1 plus 4 equal to 81. By applying the distributive rule, we can multiply this to 14m minus 7 plus 4 equal to 81. This implies 14m minus 3 equal to 81. This implies m equal to 81 plus 3, 84 divide by 14. Okay? So 14 6 is 84. It is in the option B. The value of m will be 6. Option B. Okay? Now our second part is also completed here. Stay tuned for the third part of this previous year question paper. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.